Here we are, October 10th, I think.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, awesome. Miles is at a petting zoo.
No, whoa, don't grab his eye.
He just grabbed his eye.
Okay.
And you see, he's totally not afraid. This is his first time with a goat, seeing a goat. And he loves petting him.
More goat time. I got a little bit more, buddy.
We're at Parley Farm in Groton, Massachusetts.
Okay.
But yeah.
No fish, no.
This is for the goat. This is the sheep. Okay, look at me.
Yay, thank you. Oh, you're a nice boy. Nice goat.
Bella, wait for Nana. All right, right there, this way. I can see you.
Yeah.
Should we look at the goat?
Aww.
And here's this guy. Hi, little
Hold
man.
on, let me help. Let me.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay.
Good boy.
Maya.
Good boy.
Okay.
He's afraid of squares.
Okay. Yeah.
Good boy.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's Mommy. Hi.
I'm sorry, guys. What do you say?